Are you working with C# and .NET? Over the past decade, there's been a huge amount of additions to both C# and .NET. And it can be quite daunting understanding how to build modern applications with all these new additions. I've created a workshop that will help you modernize your .NET applications. This includes applying best practices, writing memory-efficient code, and introduce asynchronous principles. You will learn all about mastering the C# language features, such as pattern matching, records, and how to avoid null reference exceptions, and much more. At the end of this workshop, you will have a great understanding of how to build modern C# and .NET applications that are robust, scalable, and follows the best practices. This is a workshop you definitely do not want to miss if you're working in .NET. I'm Filip Ekberg, and welcome to my workshop, Modern C# and .NET at Techorama.